Hi, welcome to Be Green with Amy. I'm Amy, and today I'm bringing you another cool kitchen hack. Well, we've been very busy in the Be Green with Amy kitchen, and this Vitamix has seen better days. Actually, I really can hardly see through it, but at the end of this video, I hope that you're going to see how clean we can get it with just some simple household elements that we have. So let's go over here to the sink. And I'm just going to put the Vitamix container in the sink. I'm going to show you the things that I'm going to be using. This is something I like to keep in the kitchen anyway. It's a mixture of just plain distilled white vinegar with water. It's a great cleaner. And then in here I have some baking soda. And this is my soap dispenser, and I use Blue Dawn dish soap because I think it's very effective and powerful. And the last thing that I have is a butter knife. Now you could use your finger, but I like to use a butter knife. Now I don't want to scratch the Vitamix container, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a paper towel. And I'm going to wrap the paper towel around the butter knife. Number one, because it's going to keep it from scratching it, and also because I'll be able to keep moving it around and changing it out to get all the dirt off of the towel and off the Vitamix container. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take just a little bit of water and put some in the Vitamix there. And then I'm going to take my vinegar. I'm just going to kind of spray inside. And you'd be surprised that even the outside gets things on it. And especially around the top part of it too. So I like to kind of just spray all around it. So now I'm going to take this towel and I'm going to wrap it around my knife. And so now you can see that it's a pretty good cushion there, and I'm not going to be scratching up my container. So I'm going to dip it in here and get it a little wet. So I'm going to put some of the Dawn dish soap on there. And I'm also going to sprinkle, and it's okay, we want to get it all over the container too, and sprinkle some of that baking soda in there. So now let's watch the magic. So as you can see, I'm not really using very much elbow grease here, and I'm just going around the Vitamix here. And already you can see that my towel is starting to take off some of the stains from the Vitamix container. So I'm going to lay it down here, maybe you can see it a little bit better. And then so every time that I go around here, whenever I see that I can look inside as I'm doing it, I can see through the Vitamix and I can see that I'm getting some stains on the towel, I just kind of move it over a little bit and I just keep going. So this is going to take, depending on how much stains you have on your Vitamix container, it may take a longer time. And you may need to lather, rinse, and repeat. So just keep going around, and you're going to see how clean it gets. And I'm going to stop recording now so that I can do this for a little while, and then we'll come back and see how much further we get. Okay, so I'm going to do my final rinse here. Okay, that was round one. I know that I let my Vitamix go because we were so busy in the Be Green with Amy kitchen, so there's still a lot of residue left in there. But after one round of cleaning, I think that's pretty good. Had some paper towels that I reused and rinsed and kept using them. If you want to use a sponge, you can do that. Just don't use something abrasive. And you can wrap the towel around your finger and push on it. I like to use the knife because that's just what I like to use. But I just want to let you know that that blade, as you know, is a pretty powerful blade in the bottom of your blender. So just be really, really careful. And that's one of the reasons why I use a knife, so that I'm not getting my finger in there and getting any risk of hurting myself. So I hope that you enjoyed this hack. And I hope that you don't let your Vitamix high-speed blender get so cloudy that, like mine, and it won't take you as long as it did mine to do this first round. So until next time, please remember, click on subscribe so I can bring you more videos like this. And if you've tried this hack, or maybe you have another hack for cleaning, that'd be great to share with all of us. Just mention that in the comments below. And until next time, be strong, be well, and be green.